TxStampin Sharon. Today we're going to be making this sweet little card, and it's kind of a note card effect just to send to someone who just might need to breathe. If you've not already subscribed to my channel, you can do so below. After you subscribe, you can hit the notification bell. Upload videos on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. Hope you enjoy this card. Here is the card, and it just pulls out, so it's really just like a note card, but just to send a sweet little message to someone to just breathe. And I know a lot of you are going to ask with the tab on the top, does it fit in an envelope? And the answer is, yes, it does. I'm using a stamp set that I have had for quite a while, and I loved it, which is why I bought it, but I hadn't used it. This is the clear mount version. It is available now in the new catalog or online as a clean mount, but you can still get the images. I just loved this. I mean, I just loved all of it, just real grungy looking and everything. And then I pulled out Colorful Seasons. Colorful Seasons has been around for a while, but there we go. Just breathe, okay? So I'm using Bermuda Bay stamp pad. So I have my layer Whisper White that is 4 inches by 5 inches. And then I used the little tab punch, okay, and I punched out Bermuda Bay. I'm going to fold that in half. And I'm going to add some snail. We're going to add this to the top of the card. Since it's kind of hard to figure out where to line it up, stick it on, take it to your trimmer, and see if it measures from here to here at 5.5. It can't be any bigger because it won't go in the envelope. All right, so now we're going to take our grungy stamp, and we're just going to stamp right here. And that's it. Now I have plenty of room to write my message. I'm using Smoky Slate as my base. It is 4 1/4, and it was by 11 inches, scored at 5.5. But then, so that I would have this flap right here, or this opening, I cut off 2 inches. Okay, so that's 2 inches right there. And we're gonna make this so, well, we'll do that last. We're gonna do our stamping first. Whoops. Do our stamping. And I could have used any of the images in that stamp set. And now we're going to stamp Just Breathe. You know, somebody who's having a bad day or just stressed out sometimes, I'll tell them, just breathe. So this is a perfect card. Okay. All right, so, oh, I didn't tell you the measurements. This is 3 inches by 3 3/4. And then I have a layer, of Bermuda Bay that is 3 1/4 by 4 inches. We're gonna add that to this layer. I just realized this is a card I didn't use any dimensionals on. That is so unlike me. All right, so that I can see and have it centered, I'm gonna open this up and give that a good rub. And then we're gonna make this so super simple. I have the Bermuda Bay strapped ribbon, and we're just gonna tie it closed. I do want it more on this side, so I'm just going to shift that over. simple little note card that I love. You know, in today's stressful times, I can think of several friends right off the bat that I could send this card to. And there's plenty of room for me to write my message and tuck it inside. Happy stamping, y'all!